Good morning, Amanda. We called this meeting because we wanted to present you with a beneficial idea to transition from traditional paper record keeping system to a modern electronic record keeping system. So you're asking probably why do we transition? Well, electronic files are easier to maintain and organize. You can back them up off site so that way if there's a natural disaster, we won't lose any data or information. Saves time and money with easier, quicker access to information just by performing a basic computer search. Like rather than paper files are hard to read or misplaced. And you know how paper always takes up a whole lot of room, so this will save us space. Horner's Gym's already has the capability to transition, so all we need is basically a computer. We need time to transition customer information from paper records to electronic system. It should be a quick data entry perform on our downtime, but with us motivated office managers, we can get that done in no time. We already have customers who already expressed desire to get with the times. What is CRM? CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management System. And it's basically a strategy that utilizes advanced modern technology to rival competitors and promote business growth. It's based on the concept of having a better grasp on customers' needs and desires. So basically, it's putting a connection between customers' desires and services that we have so we can see what we can do better for them. Why CRM? Well, it tracks customer attendance, keeps their profile records, and it automatically gives us the ability to charge them automatically, do like an auto debit, auto credit. Plus, it'll reduce the amount for missing payments. We can also send out email blasts for services, sale promotions, and payment reminders.
So the three software programs that we researched and give a brief presentation on are listed as well. The first one is Dynamics 365. This particular program was released in 2016 as an enterprise resource planning and customer relationship management hybrid through Microsoft. However, Dynamics itself has been around for quite a while. It's been pretty successful with the hybrid, so I think Microsoft is going to stick with it. This particular program can be used with SharePoint and Office 365 for businesses of all sizes. Since it is a Microsoft product, it does require a lot of installations from third-party resellers. That can open us up to possible compatibility issues like with hardware and software, viruses, and things like that. The package cost for the base user, which was $210 per user, didn't seem very practical for gym use. But their slogan is end-to-end applications that work great on their own and even better together. Another highly rated program was BPM Online. They were founded in 2011 and currently assist over 6,500 customers. In 2017, they received quite a few awards by CRM Magazine. Two of the notable ones are a leader in enterprise CRM suite and a leader in mid-market CRM suite. This company seems very result-oriented and like to think outside the box to provide fresh ideas and innovations. Their slogan is, "The essence of our work is to boost the efficiency of our customers' business." Salesforce was the highest ranked program that we were able to find. They were founded in 1990 and they're currently the fourth largest software company with their cloud-based platform. Currently, they're assisting over 150,000 customers to run their business smarter. They're highly, highly rated by customers. Since they do like to keep in touch with customers, they're frequently announcing upcoming new features and products. The only downside that we could see was that despite increases in the average price per customer, the return on investment increased as well. Their slogan is, "Success is built on trust. Trust starts with transparency." So with these three companies in mind, Ethan and I decided that Salesforce would be the best option for Horner Gyms. They focus on 6 key points, which I have broken down in the next couple of slides, to include improved business performance, increased data security, customizing to fit client needs, offers valuable and effective apps, encourages innovation, and generates ROI. For the improvement performance, they like to improve customer visibility, growth within the first year, and improved forecast accuracy by 42%. They can increase sales by up to 29% with a much more efficient sales pipeline. You don't have to worry about finding leads. This software helps find those and track prospective clients, so you know their expectations and to know what steps you need to finish the sale. They're able to increase productivity by 34% by reducing wasteful processes and redundant effort. They're offering superior time management, which will combine agent, or in our case, trainers' calendars, schedules, and activities to better serve customers and reduce stress headaches. For security, since it is a cloud-based system, Salesforce monitors events and provides a detailed account of events when it happens so they can be identified and resolved quickly. They have a variety of cloud-based solutions, but they can only be accessed by those that are authorized. They have a very strong authentication and encryption layer with an optional two-factor authentication if that's something that's interesting. Since it is a software program, they have their servers isolated to prevent any data breaches. For transparency, they offer live data on system performance and updates on any intrusion attempts, which kind of goes back to the first point of information security. For this program, it is completely customizable. They have an intuitive interface where they have developers that can build apps specific to our needs, very short development times, a multitude of development tools. If we don't need something that's customizable, they do have pre-built apps, which are apps that are already made that we can use as a template through the App Exchange. With this option, we do have limitless possibilities and a lot of flexibility. With the App Exchange, almost half of the apps are free of charge. We can test them before downloading them to know if what we are looking at is what we need before we commit to it. There's about 2,800 pre-built apps to choose from. All of them are designed for seamless integration with the Salesforce program, and they're pre-vetted. They all go through an extensive security review, and there's even reviews to look at by real customers to know if what we're looking at is something that we could possibly utilize. With innovations, we collect and organize customer data to track overall performance, customer service, marketing, and infrastructure. This will definitely help us move ahead in our field as well. With the ROI, there's a return on investment. It's not necessarily the same as profit. Basically, we're going to spend money to make money. This site also offers a business value calculator to see where our business is at and potential areas to save in costs. Salesforce likes to think of themselves as trailblazers. So they are a cloud-based app. They have the App Exchange. They're flexible. I don't know why it says flexibile. And they do offer better customer management for great customer experiences. Again, their slogan is "Success is built on trust. Trust starts with transparency." So why not be trailblazers and let's embark on this adventure together?